Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you how I make my baby lima beans. Stay tuned. So here's what I use to make my baby lima beans. Of course, the dried baby lima beans, onions, some garlic, smoked turkey, drum. I use smoked turkey necks or drum or whatever. This is just what I had in the freezer. And some bouillon. Then I use pepper, garlic powder, and things like that, but I'll show you that along the way. So that's that. So I add my beans into a bowl with some water because I rinse these really well and I pick through them to make sure that none of them are bad, make sure there's no stones or anything in them. So there's that. And as you can see, the water here isn't too dirty, but I still rinse them a couple times just to make sure, because this is produce, and I just want to be careful, and you want to be safe with food. You don't want to be just pouring stuff out of the container and then feeding it to your family. So I rinse them a couple times once I've picked them all out, and then I proceed with. I did not soak these overnight, by the way. You can, but I did not, because I kind of had been craving them. I hadn't had baby lima beans in forever, and I just got up that morning and went and got them. Well, no, I didn't. I ordered them. That was a lie. I ordered them through Instacart. So what I do is I take my onion and I cut it off. I normally don't cut my onion like this, but because I'm going to put it in the food processor, it don't really matter. But rinse your onions too, because, child, some of them onions be so dirty. Rinse the outside because you don't want all that on your cutting board and then it gets into your other food. So I'm just going to chop this onion up roughly and put it into my food processor along with some garlic. And then, because I didn't want like chunks of onion in there because of Jordan, so whatever. So in my pot, I'm going to add some oil, or you can use bacon fat, whichever you choose. And I'm going to saute my onions and garlic for a few minutes, because this is where I'm going to start my broth with my turkey leg or turkey necks, whichever you use. You can use pork, it's up to you. But for this, I just like to use turkey, smoked turkey. So I also rinse my turkey leg, and then I put it in the pot, just right on top of the onions. And then I pour my water in there. I really want to kind of cover that turkey leg. As you can see, like, the fat is coming out of that, turkey leg already. It's not a whole lot of fat, so that's the only reason why I like to use turkey for this instead of pork. But you use whatever you choose to use. Also, I'm going to add in the bouillon and then move forward with that. So once the turkey is kind of falling off the bone, I add in my lima beans, and then I let those cook until they're tender. I check them over time, make sure the liquid is not going down too far. If I do need to add some, I add hot water. I season with salt and pepper. You can put garlic powder, whatever you want to put in there. And this is what we had. I did have a vegetable too. I don't remember what I made that day, but I don't know why I didn't have it on the plate, but here we are. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day. Bye.